make this embroidery, and we sell it within the Arab world and to foreign countries.
أنا مع اللي خالصة.
هذه كمان خالصة. هذه مين خالصة؟
هاي خالصة.
Now each village has its own variously different style. The same pattern and color runs through them all. Each dress has more than 20 to 30 different designs and different colors. These different costumes came from generation to generation, from mother to daughter. Some of them are traced back to different periods in history. There are names of the different designs relating to the Ottoman period. There are names relating to pre-Islamic incidents. A certain design that runs through them all, it's a description of a certain flower in Jerusalem, in Palestine. And you can see that it's so closely related to the soil, to the history.